Sometimes FLASHFILL, like many things in life, doesn't work the way you planned it to work. So in the last video on FLASHFILL, we would see Excel fill in the pattern, and then we'd hit the Enter key, and basically it would fill in the whole column. But sometimes you have to be really quick and you miss your window. So a more reliable approach is Ctrl E. So let's show you how that works. Okay, whenever you want to fill the column, you do Ctrl E. So what we have here are some prices in dollars and cents. So we want to put the dollars in one column, the cents in another column. So let's try what we learned about last time. Just start typing dollars. 6, 7, 9. It just doesn't work. Okay. And now let's try that Control E. 6, 7. Now I hit Control E. It fills the column. Let's type in the cents. 56, 43. Control E. It fills the column. Need I say more? So there's an example where basically when I just waited for Excel to learn the pattern, it didn't learn it. But basically if I hit Control E after 2 instances of the dollars and cents, Excel filled it in completely. So remember Control E.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.